today I would like to talk to you about how to make suggestions in business meeting in English. Okay, actually there are many different ways in making suggestions in the meeting. Okay, but I will choose some phrases because it has some limitation of time. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you, if you want to make suggestions in the meeting, actually there are two forms. You can use affirmative form or question form. Okay, for affirmative form, you can use past modal verbs like could, would, and should. Okay, for instance, I think you should increase the price. Okay, or I would suggest increasing the price, or I could recommend increasing the price. You will see that three sentences have the same meaning, but the difference is the structure. If you notice, you will see that behind should, it is followed by the base form of the verb. It means that no s or no es. But for the verb suggest or recommend, it is followed by gerund or verb with ing. Okay, these are the difference, but actually it have the same meaning. Okay, and the second, you can use let's that abbreviated from let us. Okay, let's put the price up, something like that, or let's create new idea, something like that. Okay, and next you can use verb recommend or suggest directly. For example, I suggest hiring someone for this position, or I recommend hiring someone for this position. Or you can use noun suggestion or recommendation. For example, my recommendation would be to hire someone for this position. Okay, these sentences are examples of affirmative form. Okay, let's move to question forms. Okay, if you want to make suggestions in the meeting, you can use how about, what about, or why don't you, or why don't we. For examples, how about hiring someone for this position, or what about hiring someone for this position, or why don't you talk to your boss about this. Okay, you will see that is the same. It's not it uses a different structure. For how about and what about, it is followed by gerund, and why don't you and we, it is followed by the base form of the verb. Okay, and actually there are other common questions, like you can use like may I suggest. Okay, for example, may I suggest hiring someone for this position, something like that. Okay, for making suggestion, it is not particular used in business meeting, but you can use in general conversation when you want to invite make suggestion to your friend, like to do some activities, like for example, you can ask your friend that, okay, are you free tomorrow night? And your friend may answer that, oh sure, and you may say that, okay, why don't we go to a party tomorrow night, something like that. Okay, hope you guys learn how to make suggestions and use it to suggest your new idea to your team. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. สวัสดีค่ะ